Hi traders, welcome to the F Trader. I'm Kay and I'm going to give you a market brief. Please subscribe to this channel if you like it and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so let's jump into the charts. If we just go into a daily chart, we've had a down day for gold. It's broken below that key 1800 point and we're waiting for more clarification in what's going to happen. We are now out of our position. We had taken a 50% stake out before, and we were still holding for a long position. We had moved our stop loss to a break-even position, and that's been stopped out now at 17.95. So we made a break-even point on the remaining 50% of our position. As you can see, it's kind of just got broken into around 1 o'clock UK time, and it just started to go down further. Sorry, I should say this is 1 hour back, so that was around 2 o'clock, and mainly it was due to the US dollar index. I'll show you guys in the next couple of charts, but it kind of came back and the bulls tried to push it up, and we broke above the 1800 again, but it's been sold back into in the last couple of moments and we've gone below. So I guess we're just going to stay out for more clarification on which way it's going to go. But despite that, we're not, we're flirting with this 1800, and until I don't get a good couple of more sessions on the 4-hour chart for a better indication of which way we're going, we won't be taking any more positions in gold at the moment. If I go to the pound dollar, the cable, we took a 50% profit from there, and we've now moved our stop loss to a break even. I am still bullish on this, but this time the strength of the US dollar index has actually caused some selling in the cable, and it could be some people are doing some profit taking as it did a high of 141, but I think it did a little bit higher than that. I'm not sure if this chart is correct, but this is showing a high of 141.51, but I think we did a high of 142, but I need to check that. But anyways, we're sold back. I'm guessing it may pull back to the 139. If it does, we'll get triggered with our break even. Actually, no, we wouldn't. We took a position at 38, so we'll still be in it. We are going to hold on for the remaining 50%. I was going to only take 25, but I decided to take 50, and I'm just going to wait for this to maybe do a little bull flag and continue higher, but we'll wait for that. We took that position in the Euro USD. We are now holding in a loss position. Our stop loss has not been triggered, and I'm just waiting hopefully that this may be a bull flag and we'll go higher and the dollar will start weakening again. On to the US dollar index, and you'll see we've got, if I go onto a daily chart, so today you can see that it's strengthened and we've had quite a big spike up and down. I'm not quite sure where it's going to go, if this wants to continue, or this could just be a bear flag where it just does a little high and then we start breaking down to a lower. But we can see that this support line broke down into it and then it's kind of moved up above it. So let's see if this support has kept key. That was one of the reasons that we took 50% off the cable, because we didn't manage to break fully from this support and it started to have a bull run. So that's why we took that 50%, but we will wait and see how it will handle that. If I go on to quickly Bitcoin's been interesting. There's been a lot of volume. The selling has not continued. It's spiked lower, but we've had buyers come in today, and from the lows of around 44, 45,000, then it started over at about 48, just nearly close to 49. We haven't pushed up much more than that, so this could be just a little bear flag coming, so we get a little, and then there'll be more selling to come. But as mentioned, we are not ready to take a position in Bitcoin until we get more clarification. With the SP 500, so the stocks, let me just go onto a daily chart view there so we can just see what's happened. Stocks have rebounded quite quickly. I find that surprising. I thought this was a start to a breakdown of stocks, but as mentioned, we've had a massive bull run going since March it was, and then we've been getting these little bull flags, and this very well could be another bull flag. and it could keep going up higher. We haven't had any indication that there's been a trend reversal, so we will not be taking any positions. If this continues and we see a little bit of momentum behind it, we'll probably take a long position to the upside for the SP 500. That's it for today. Tomorrow's Thursday. We'll be getting a lot of data out of the US with the non-farmers, and I will cover that afterwards. And take care.